Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. We are truly blessed and secured through the existence of the wind, water and sand that our Creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain all humans and monitors all the activities on the earth, both in the spiritual realms to avoid blacklist after death. Here you can see and understand that our Creator, the owner of all humans and languages, made his creations perfect before humans' mentality. Being here on the earth to witness the creation of our Creator, you are secured. Don't worry about accusations or the evil planted against you by your fellow humans. The wind, water and sand is recording all about you and your fellow human. So be happy in your existence on the earth. Just be careful in your activities towards your fellow human. Today is Monday, the day we celebrate sand, by presenting sand to our Creator, the owner of all humans and languages, to increases the blessings of the sand to bless humans that he brought here to witness his creations, and also to be creative in their own daily activities. May the sand guide your footstep to the right path of good livings, Isa, meaning so shall it be. Be blessed from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe. Onya endu, ikuku achinike.